Okay, before we try to add fractions, we need common denominators. So with these types of problems, usually we have to factor first. So we got to find, what we learned in the previous chapter. Make yourself two parentheses. We got to find two parentheses. They both have to start with an x. That way, when we multiply them, x times x makes x squared, right? And so now the only thing that's left for these two parentheses, we got to find two numbers that would multiply to be 36, the last number there, but add up to be 12. So how about x plus 6 and x plus 6? 6 times 6 makes 36, and 6 plus 6 makes 12. And I'm able to come up with that kind of quickly just because I'm a math teacher. It'll take some time before you get that intuition, for sure. So you just have to sit there and play with numbers like, okay, what multiplies to 36? 2 and 12 does. 4 and 9. Yeah, I had to think about that for a second. Same thing with this other one. It's even trickier, though, because I got to make a negative. Two numbers that multiply to be negative 24, but add up to be positive 2. So how about 6 and 4, where the 6 is positive and the 4 is negative. That way, positive 6 times negative 4 makes negative 24. Positive 6 times positive 6 plus negative 4 makes positive 2. So look, the denominators are not quite in common. We got to change the fractions. This one needs an x minus 4. So we'll multiply that to the top and the bottom. This one needs an x plus 6 to multiply to the top and the bottom. So when we do that, we've got 4x minus 4 over, I'm going to simplify this to be x plus 6 squared, right? Times x minus 4. And then we've got 7x plus 6 here. So we've got x plus 6 squared times x minus 4. Okay, now that we have common denominators, we can add the numerators. I'm going to distribute. That's going to be 4x. And then 4 times negative 4 makes negative 16. And I'm going to distribute over here. 7 times x makes 7x, and then 7 times 6 makes 42. And then if we combine like terms, we got 11x. And then I'm not going to try to do this when making a video. I always mess stuff up in my head. Negative 16 plus 42 makes 26. I think that's as simplified as we can go. So we're going to leave it right there, okay? We would try to factor the top if we could, but 11 is prime. There's nothing else we can do to factor that.